We have freshly baked cookies and croissants. Brownies just got here. Pero kung gusto mo, isa-slice pa lang namin. But these are their dark chocolate fudge brownies. Blondie's all sold out na din siya. Our best sellers for cookies as well are chocolate walnut and triple chocolate. For croissants, they're ham and cheese. This one and panda chocolate.
Isa pong ham and cheese.
One ham and cheese croissant.
Yung pana chocolate.
Okay. Anything else for you?
Isa na lang po. Dark brownie po.
Slice ko lang siya if ever, kung gusto
Pero
mo.
pwede po siya ipa-separate.
Yes, pwede ko naman siya i-separate bag naman for you. Pero ito kasi bago lang talaga siya. So kung gusto mo, wait lang, i-slice ko lang naman. How many of this would you like?
One.
Okay, sige. Anything else pa po?
Yun lang.
For your croissants, ma'am, would you like me to heat them up kung kakainin nyo na?
Una po.
Okay, sige. Ulitin ko lang po yung order niyo, ma'am. 1 ham and cheese croissant, 1 pan au chocolat, and 1 dark chocolate fudge brownie po. Total is 550.
Ika.
Yes, go ahead. Pascan na lang po. Okay, 7051. Okay, sige. Pa-wait lang ha. Thank you. Ito na lang po pala, ma'am, receipt niya. Tapos pa-wait na lang po for your items. Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am. 3 items ba? Thank you so much. Enjoy everything. Thank you.